What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today I'm super excited because we are going to be doing another everyday makeup transformation. I've done these in the past and you guys have seemed to really like them. They're just super quick and super easy, and the ones I've done in the past are kind of like my 10-minute makeup sleigh. So when I have 10 minutes in the morning to get ready, that's what I do. It's super minimal because obviously it's got to be done super quick. But today I'm going to be showing you guys my 15-minute sleigh. So this is when I have like a little bit more time on my hands. I can throw myself together a little bit more, actually do a little bit of something on my eyes, because most of the time in my 10-minute videos I'm really not doing much on my eyes. I'm just focusing on my base, but this is for when I have a little bit more time to play with and I really want to look nice and put together, even though it only took me 15 minutes. It's going to be super, super easy. Great for school, great for the office, great for literally anything. So that's what we're going to be doing together today. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, and hit the little bell right next to the subscribe button so you'll be notified of all of my future uploads. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, so first things first, we're going to jump in with the Covergirl Skin Primer. This is the moisturizing one. I absolutely love this. Can this be used in place of a moisturizer? Okay, that's a lot. I didn't need that much. But yes, this can be used in place of a moisturizer. Should you really use a separate moisturizer? Yes. But this will get the job done if you're running late, you want something really quick. You can basically just use this as a moisturizer and a primer. When I was in Italy over the summer, TSA threw out my moisturizer because it was over the limit, and I used that for like 3 days as my moisturizer until I could buy another one, and it worked. So if you're running late, combine those two steps and just use this, and it's super easy, and I do it probably more than I should. Up next for foundation, I have been absolutely loving this. This is from Zoeva, and this is the Authentic Skin Natural Luminous Foundation. It gives a beautiful look to the skin, and it's gonna give you a really nice coverage, but still gonna look like your skin. It's basically gonna look like your skin, but better. I have shade 170W Fearless, so this is what I'm gonna pop in with today. And I normally use about 2 pumps of this on my face just on a daily basis. And I forgot to wet my beauty blender, so I'll be right back. We're back. We're gonna go in and blend. Who else hates when that happens? I feel like it always happens to me. I'm like all set up, ready to go, and then I realize my beauty blender is not damp and I need to get up and wet it. I should really get like one of those little spray bottles and like put it on my vanity. That would probably save me some time. And I could just wet it right there. But I'm just gonna blend this out to give us a nice even coverage to our complexion. I feel like if your base looks good, then the rest of your makeup is gonna end up looking pretty good. So I do always kind of go for a flawless base to make everything else kind of come together. Up next, we're gonna pop in with concealer. I've really been liking the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Concealer from ColourPop, so that's what I'm gonna be using today on my under eyes. So I'm just gonna pop in with this and apply to my under eye area to highlight and brighten, and then just blend that out as well. You guys will notice if you watch my other videos that I normally bring my concealer down in the center area of my face as well, but on a daily basis, I don't do that when I'm in a rush. I really just do it on my under eyes and call it a day. To go ahead and set that concealer, I'm going to jump in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Powder in the shade Butter. You do want to make sure that you do this step, even though it seems like it's an easy step that you could probably skip to save some time. Even though it's an everyday makeup look, you want to make sure that this makeup is lasting all throughout the day. So you do want to make sure you do always go in with a powder to set any cream or liquid products that you apply on your face to make sure you get longevity out of them. Because even if you have the greatest, longest lasting foundation, it's definitely going to last longer if it is set with a powder. So I would highly recommend always setting with a powder. And then to set all over my face, I'm going to go in with the CoverGirl True Blend Minerals Loose Mineral Powder in the shade Medium. They actually make a banana version of this, which is great for the under eyes. It's a good dupe for the Fenty powder. It is a more affordable option if you want to use that, but I love this for all over my face. So I'm just going to go in with a little bit of this just to set that foundation on my face so that it's not moving throughout the day. All right, now we are ready to move on to our eyes. I'm gonna zoom you guys in. All right, now for my brows, I'm gonna jump in with this CoverGirl Brow Pencil. This is just their ultra fine pencil. I have this in the shade Soft Brown, and I'm just gonna quickly run through my brows and just define them out a little bit. Not gonna be doing anything too crazy. I could spend 15 plus minutes on my brows alone. So when I'm in a hurry, I really just outline them like so and quickly fill them in, and then move on. I really just do enough to define them out, but not take too much time out of my routine. All right, now for our eyes, I'm gonna go in with the new Tati Beauty palette. This is a really great palette for every day because there's lots of neutrals in here. And I'm first gonna go in with Soothe in the matte texture. And I'm just gonna buff this into the crease of my eye. This is gonna just help to define out the eye, kind of like contouring, but for your eyeball. So I'm just gonna buff that into the crease and upper crease area. This is also a great palette to use when you're in a rush because the shadows blend really easily. So you're not gonna have to sit there really blending for all that long. They kind of blend out super fast and quickly, which is another reason why I like to use this palette on a more daily basis. Then we're gonna jump in with Ritual in the matte texture and buff this slightly into the outer crease area, like so, just to build up some depth out there. Again, just doing this super quickly. They're blending really easily, so it's not gonna take you a lot of time. And I'm gonna just run that same color on the lower lash line as well, just to really smoke it out and connect everything. And then all of our lid, we're gonna jump into Aura in the metallic texture. And I'm gonna just pop this all over the lid as well as in the inner corner. It's a super pretty light metallic shade. I love it. And of course, same thing on the other eye. And I'm popping that same color beneath my brow bone as well, just to highlight that. And we are done with eyeshadow. 3 simple colors, super quick and easy. When I'm doing my quick makeup routine, I don't do any top eyeliner, so I don't do any winged liner or anything like that, but I do like to pop something in on my waterline, so I'm just gonna go in with this ColourPop Cream Gel Liner. This is in the shade Exit, and it's just a white liner, and it really helps to open up the eyes and make them nice and bright. For lashes, I'm not going to do any false lashes or anything like that. I'm just going to go in with mascara. I do have a few lash extensions left on from when I was in the Bahamas. I normally get lash extensions like before I travel. But whether I have lash extensions or I don't, if I'm in a rush, I do just use a mascara. So I'm going to be going in with the IT Cosmetics Lash Blowout. I like this mascara a lot because it packs a lot of volume very quickly. So it's not going to take you a long time to really build up your lashes to the way that you want them to be. It's a really, really nice mascara. I did work with IT Cosmetics on a campaign for this on Instagram, but this video is in no way sponsored by them. They did not ask me to use this. They are not paying me. I genuinely really like the mascara. Investing in a mascara that you like really like can definitely save you a lot of time, because I know when I was younger, I would literally sit and like coat on mascara for what seemed like hours before I would go to school and stuff, because nothing would ever like build up my lashes the way I wanted to, but I obviously wasn't gonna wear like falsies to school. So I would like put on a coat, let it dry, put on another coat, curl my lashes again, like go through this like rigorous process with my lashes because I was just using a cheap mascara that wasn't really working. And not that there's not cheap mascaras that are good, because there are a lot of cheap mascaras that are good, but the one I was using just wasn't good for my lashes and wasn't working and would take me so much time. So I think investing in one that you really like, whether it be this one or a different one, is a good idea if you want to shorten up your morning routine. Alrighty, so we are done with the eyes. We're gonna move on just to finish up the face. I'm gonna go in with this Gingerbread Tan bronzer. This is from Too Faced, and I'm just going to apply this all over my face. I'm not gonna do any like harsh contour or anything. So I basically just go in a 3 motion. It's kind of just gonna give you like a natural looking contour. So just like that to hit all my contour spots and bronze at the same time. For blush, I'm gonna jump in with this guy. This is technically a highlighter, but it's too dark for a highlighter for me, but I like to use it as a blush. This is from Pixi from Head to Toe, and it's in the shade Fetch, just to give me that nice kind of like glow from within. So I just go in with a little bit of it and pop it on my cheeks, and it gives me like a nice pretty glow. And then for my actual highlight, I'm gonna jump in to the Fenty Beauty highlighter in Metal Moon. This is like an intense white highlight, so I only go in with a little bit of it and just pop that on my cheeks, just to really amp it up. Put a little down my nose and above my Cupid's bow. Then for our lips, I'm gonna jump in with this Ofra Flexi Stick. This is in the shade Stretch, and I'm gonna just pop this on. What I really like about their Flexi Sticks is that they go on like a gloss. They're super creamy and easy to apply, but they have the pigment of a liquid lipstick, so they're gonna apply color to your lips but also stay creamy and be super easy to apply. I do have a coupon code with Ofra. It's just code Kelly if you guys are interested in saving some money, but I really like this formula they have. So most days I'll just leave it like this. If I really want to amp it up and do a glossier lip, I'll jump in with one of the gloss bombs from Fenty. This is in the shade Fussy. I've really been liking this, and I'll just top this to give us a really pretty glossy lip. And this lip gloss also smells amazing. I'm obsessed. And then last but certainly not least, we gotta set everything in place. I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay All Nighter. This is the best setting spray, at least in my opinion, to make sure that your makeup lasts all day long. So I'm gonna just go in and set. I have like none left in here. There we go, we got a little bit out. I use every last drop of these, and that's just gonna help to set your makeup and make sure it lasts all day long. And that is it, you guys. I promise you, I really do this in 15 minutes. It may seem like longer in the video because obviously I'm talking through everything with you guys, but it can definitely be done. It's quick, it's easy, but you look pulled together and like you took a long time to get ready, even though you didn't. Oh, my hair is about to play me over there. Huh. Sorry about that. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe if you have not already, and I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye!